What's up, YouTube? It is Shada Notary coming at you today with some of those answers to your questions that you've been longing for down in the chat. So you definitely want to stay tuned. Drum roll. Anyways, first question I have up is how to get started doing the inspections. So how to get started with the inspections, that the websites that I provided down below, and also on, if you go back to my first video, there's a couple of websites that I provided as well. You want to go click on that website, hit become an inspector, because that is what we're looking to do. From then, there should be the steps that's aligned for you. Normally, they want you to upload your driver's license, also fill out an application. Depending on the company, there are different expectations. A lot of times, there's one company that I'm paired with, they ask for insurance, basic insurance. I provided them with my E&O insurance since I already had that as a notary. So like I said, it's not one size fit all. Some of the requirements are different, but it's specifics catered to the different company. One of the other questions was, how often do you get paid? Well, again, that ties back into the company. Some of the companies, just like Notary, they pay once a month. Some of them may pay out twice a month. So far with the companies that I have, they pay once a month. So the companies you can use to get work, let me just specify that there may not be work in some areas. I'm not guaranteeing that. It's going to be, again, tailored to the company, what area you live in, the zip codes you provide them with. That is also something, guys and girls, ladies, that these companies do ask. What zip code are you willing to drive out to? What are all your zip codes? This can make the big difference between you actually getting work and not getting much volume of work. All right, so the next question we had was, where can I get a list of the companies? You can go to SOFI, which is SOFI, Society of Field Inspectors. I'm going to link that down below. This is just a platform that's set up to provide you with information. They also do resumes. But it's kind of like, so to speak, Notary, your Notary Rotary, like places to get you on with these inspection places, to where you can go on there, go onto their website, because they'll have their website there. You can go on and apply, and some of them you may hear back from, and some of them you may not. I would definitely encourage you to sign up for as many as possible. In the beginning, I signed up for as many as possible. And also keep in mind, it is based on their discretion, their criteria, and what they're looking for. Again, each one is tailored to something more. There are some inspection places that I don't qualify to do inspections for. Why? Because they may ask for more training, and I don't have that under me. You guys, I basically got onto the inspection companies that needed you to have the basics. A smartphone, know how to take pictures, know how to read, follow directions, know how to measure. The ones that, and again, they do have training. You have to look that information up. That is not something I decided to do. It's due to training. However, if that's something you choose to do, if you want to further your career or side hustle, then definitely do so. What else? So, are there any special trainings you need? Are there any special trainings you need? So the special trainings I just went over, again, is basic stuff. Your cell phone, know how to read, follow directions through, because that's the main thing. Let's see what else. There's not a test you take. Now there are some inspection places that I have got on to, such as Spectrum. They may have a training that pop up here and there, and it's just more education for you. You can either choose to take it or not. Obviously, it will open up many more inspections for you if you have that training and experience underneath your belt. So I would definitely encourage you to do so. If you're working under an inspection company and they offer you the extra extensive training for free, go ahead and do it. It can't hurt you. It's only gonna make you greater and better. So I just want to make sure I answered all the questions. So, okay, last but not least, I did miss out on a question, but one of the questions was, do you send the inspection back through mail or through the internet? Guys, everything is digital nowadays. Your work comes to you digitally. You sign up to their website. That's how you get your work. It's no different. It is some similarities with the notary. So first come, first serve. If you're on that inspection, once they send it to you, because they send it out to a lot of people. So if you're the first to click, you're gonna get that job. But all your work is internal and it's digital. They have a place where you upload your pictures and stuff that they're asking for. They also have a place where you upload your pictures and stuff that they're asking for. They also have a place where you would put your paperwork. It's very self-explanatory, and a lot of times the companies are really, really good as far as have a training and stuff set up for their portal so that you better know how to turn things in and just how to work around their systems. So I hope this was helpful for you all.